I told you it's going to be hard to break it. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is GenchoMoto and today we're going to have lots of rally, off-road, stuntmans and all that sort of shit. So stay tuned. So for today's video we have this beautiful Nissan Almera. It's a 1.8 Tino edition. Yeah, few scuffs here and there, but we're gonna turn it into something completely different. We're gonna turn it into a rally sort of ish off-road car, and we're gonna take it for off-roading. Then we're gonna take it to a dirt track where Marek's gonna do something special because everyone knows that Marek's Superman. Anyway, we are very pressured by time because we only have one day to finish that car and take it. So we're gonna go straight to the modifications.
No.
Present for my missus. Cover it here.
Oh, it's okay in full job already.
We're going to Tesco to fill up some petrol.
The looks will be fine.
I think this is already broken. You can feel it blowing here.
Such a nice car and we have this.
Right, don't come out. I just want to fill the car and go, please.
You don't even want to come out. You're nothing to be ashamed of. Except there is your name all over the car. Look at that not embarrassed face. Close it.
Why these bad boys are so mad.
I think it was because you set in, so it was lifted up, yeah? Yeah, lift the car. I mean, You did it right the first time, I don't know what happened. Maybe we should buy those RC cars.
Lost exhaust in the bumper. I told you it's gonna survive.
I wasn't recording again.
Hey, fuck off. I said that it survived, and I told you it's probably gonna survive another time. Do you wanna go? Obviously we're missing a few stuff. There we go, bumper's in place. Ali is not in place. If you don't have that thing for the car jack, socket goes in. Whoa, no fucking way. It's a brand new stir. And it's Bristol as well. I don't really want to give you away this brand new tire. See brand new tires. Like, if you touch it, it's so satisfying. Place this back together as it's meant to be. We're ready to roll.
Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, comment or subscribe. If you are wondering why we are here in the studio, Gencho is going to explain that.
As I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, we were really pressured by time. We had to do 2 locations. Obviously the woods are for the first video and we're going on a dirt track which is in the second video. Hence why I think you should subscribe. Anyway, we didn't have enough time to do the outro because it was getting very late and we had to rush to the other location, hence why we're doing it here in the studio. But I really hope you've enjoyed the video and you don't mind about a simple outro.
But you have definitely something to look forward to, because with another stunt I was waiting for this one my whole life.
That sounds sad.
But it's actually just a matter of time until I did this, because I never had a car, but if I ever got a car, this would be one of the first things I always wanted to do.
As you can see, you squashed the car, hence why you can't really use your car. That's why I was trying to explain that you can't really use my car, because this is what happens.
Yeah, but I probably wouldn't worry about my car that much.
No,
my car would be a stunt car straight away. If it's not a Tesla. If it's Tesla.
If it's a Tesla, I'll race you with my bike. What do you reckon? Do we have to do it again or?
No, I think we did it right.
Yeah, I think it's
Let's punch the camera and let's go.
I forgot to tie up my wheel, idiot, fucking idiot.
Of course.